Good day guys, today we're gonna be doing a spark plug replacement on a BMW 350e B48 hybrid. So these are the recommended spark plugs for the BMW B48 as well as the B58 NGK 94201. Now we're gonna be removing the engine cover, followed by the right and left engine compartment covers. Next step is removing these. You can see the bolts to remove. Let's do it for the strap bar. Let's remove these so nothing could hold up here. Open this. Open hands. Next step will be to unbolt these. Right. This could actually come out one time as well. So to take out the strut bar, you need a E18 as well as a 16mm for my car at least. This line will usually be here. That's usually for boost reference for the metal injection kit. Right. Next step will be removing these. Right. 1, 3 on the side. And we have 1, 2, 3 on the side, so a total of 6. Right. That's about it. See this line here. Alright, next thing, stick on there. Alright, so your next step would be to remove the ignition coils. You could remove the jacks first, and then you would require E8 socket to remove the screws. Then you're going to be pulling out the coil packs. After pulling out the coil packs, you would require a spark plug socket, a 10 volt deep spark plug socket, which is a 12.14 millimeter, and then you could remove the spark plugs. It's a good idea to put a cloth and cover the holes because you don't want anything going into the engine, and bear in mind the order you take out your spark plugs so you can analyze each one of the plugs and make sure everything is firing properly. Reinstalling these spark plugs, ensure you torque it back to the correct setting, which is 23 Newton meters, which is roughly about 17 foot-pounds. So the M6 screw is torqued back to the correct setting, which is 8 Newton meters. And now we'll just proceed to reinstalling everything. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned.